What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's a part of the channel, everybody that showed love throughout 2021 and will still be showing love in 2022. A big thank you. We definitely appreciate it. I know towards the end of 2021, well, after that move from Illinois to Utah, my schedule got thrown off a lot. So hopefully, starting off the new year, I can get back on track, drop videos as often as I used to, and we just keep pushing forward. Now, 2021 was a tough year. I think it was a little bit better than 2020, but there's still Corona and whatnot. But you know, there was bad that came with it, and there was good. But with all that, it's all a part of the journey. So we just need to embrace it and keep pushing forward. And ask yourself this question: if none of that stuff happened last year, would you be where you are today? It's all a part of it. If it's bad, it's good, it's all a part of it. I know 2021 was the beginning was a tough year for me, because in February, before I even started the channel in February, I there was one morning, well, it was a few days leading up to it. I woke up and I was feeling funny before, and then that one morning I woke up, face swollen, hands swollen, feet swollen, heart racing. Then I went to the hospital, and they didn't even do a COVID test, so I don't even know if it was COVID, but they couldn't figure out what was going on with my heart, and did a whole bunch of tests strung up on machines and stuff. And one of the doctors even said, like, it didn't make sense for my age and stuff. None of it made sense, because the way my heart was, it was like I was having a heart attack, but I wasn't. And they said none of that was normal for my age, so they couldn't figure it out. Did all these tests, like, for months. I was doing tests and stuff, and they didn't find nothing. They didn't find anything. The last day they were like, well, you're too healthy for us, you're good. No one knows. But what I have to do is give God thanks, because I'm still here, still alive, still here with my family. So yeah. But I definitely appreciate 2021 for whatever came with it. Just gonna keep moving forward. 2022, we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. Keep pressing gas, and just remember, if it's bad or if it's good, it's all a part of the journey. It's meant to be a learning process. So whatever comes, you navigate those obstacles. Keep moving forward. Don't give up. I'm telling you, with YouTube, I've tried YouTube before, and I was just not consistent at all. I actually surprised myself with how consistent I've been on YouTube, but I just realized it's something that I enjoy doing now, so I'm gonna keep doing it. But be consistent with anything you're doing. Find something to motivate you to keep pushing forward, so whatever your goal is, you can achieve it. But in 2022, try to make a difference in your life. Do something to, like, push you to be a better version of yourself. Instead of just doing the norm, do something different that's gonna push you, take you out of your comfort zone and whatnot. And we gonna do it together, because I gotta push myself too. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I wish everybody a blessed and prosperous new year, and I will see you guys in the next video. But for this one, now you're gonna see a year in review. So all the food videos that I posted, not the snack videos, because those ones it would be a lot of chopping up the videos, and I ain't got the time for that. So I just did the food one. So yeah, a year in review for all the cooking videos right now. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, okay? Don't forget that part. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Teach your way. No, sir.
Wow.